guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can basically do if you can't find like new features on CapCut PC. That's because you haven't updated your app. So go to the settings menu on your homepage, go to the version, and as you can see there, I'm on the 2.6.0 version and I want the new version, so I'm just going to select install now. And I'm just going to wait for CapCut to download, and basically once it's done downloading, it's going to restart the app. But don't worry about your projects, it's not going to be deleted, it's going to still be saved. You're going to just do that, and once you've reopened the app, it's going to have those new CapCut features. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!